After our form, we are going to put links. We are going to see how to make links to various different web pages and other pages in the local storage. Earlier we looked at the example.com web page that a link is put into a web page by the A tag, which is known as anchor tag, and we use the href to tell the browser where to go. It is short for hyperlink reference. So for now, let's just do the reference to codexify.com. Uh, href is equal to uh, if you want to do a link which is completely outside of your own website or local web, you have to start with http colon double slash forward slash and www.codexify.com or whatever the link is. Then you will close it. It is not self closing, we need to put some text. Let's just put Codexify for now and then close it. Okay, now let's see it in the browser. Now anything I click on which is between the opening and closing A tag will take me to codexify.com. So there it is, we are on codexify.com. So just to show you couple of other types of links, I am going to put this A tag in a paragraph and I'll do another paragraph with a different link. uh, it should be in the it should be in our own directory. Let's call it hello, and let's suppose the name of the file is hello.html. Now I'll have to make another page. I'll call it hello. The title will be hello, and let's just remove the form and let me make a link to the old file which is index.html and back to index. Now I have to save it. I'll call it hello.html. Okay, let's refresh in the browser. Now if I click on the hello button, it will take me to the hello.html page. It should be in the same directory, or you have to give the whole path where the file exists. Now if I click here, it will take me back to index.html. Now one more type, but to show that we need a very long page so that the browser enables a scroll bar. uh, let's just copy this form. Sorry, let's just copy this form and paste it couple of times. Now let's see. Okay, it's a pretty big now. What I want to do is make a link to a part of this web page. So it means if you scroll down all the way to Codexify here and you want to go back to the top, to do that on the top of the web page but in the body, uh, right here, what we'll do is I add another anchor tag but with the name attribute and I'll call it top. This time it is going to be self-closing, and at the bottom, to tell the browser what it should tell the browser. It should tell the browser that we want to go to some place on the same page, but where? So we'll do this. A reference is equal to, we will include hash this time because it is the part of the same page. So uh, I'll call it back to top and then I'll close it. Now if I refresh it, I'm at the bottom of the page. Now if I click on back to top, it will take me to the top of the page. Again, click on back to top and I'm on the top of the page. So see you guys in the next video.